kids, children, people, whatever. It is day out. Look at all the pretty birds chirping. But I'm not home alone, sadly. But I have something for you guys. I mean, like a proposition. Can't mistake. Like a question, you guys. You guys should know. My hair is messy, I know. Question for all you all children. Should me and my team go to the troll site? I live in Wichita, by the way. So, I'm not saying where. Yeah. And I was just wondering if we should go. Well, if I should go. You know, should I go? Vote yes, no, maybe. If you don't care. Write in the comments down below. Yeah. And I was in my house and something strange. Yeah. Let's go inside. Hiya, Tabby. Back here, there's like this creepy door. It's right there. And nobody knows what it leads to. My creepy back porch. Got toys and crap back here. Boxes. And one little light. It doesn't even work. That was my battery. Should I open it? Oh, creepy. Yeah, I'm not shutting it now. I don't know. I don't want a flower. Bye, guys. Bye. Remember, comment below if we should go to the troll or not. What do you think? Should we go? Shouldn't we? Okay. Bye.